Hello guys, today I went to play chess with my friend. It was my first day playing chess. For those who don't know about chess, it's a board game for two players called white and black, each controlling an army of chess pieces with the objective to checkmate the opponent's king. It is sometimes called international chess or western chess to distinguish it from related games such as shonki and shogi. How is the game of chess played? For those who don't know, at the start, each player controls 16 pieces: 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 bishops, 2 knights, and 8 pawns. White move first, followed by black. The game is won by checkmating the opponent's king, i.e. threatening it with inescapable capture. There are several ways a game can end in a draw. How to win a chess? Number 1. Make good opening moves. Number 2. Do not give away pieces for free. Number 3. Get your pieces in position. Number 4. Coordinate an attack on the king. Number 5. Watch the safety of your own king. Number 6. Always be a good sport. If you follow those laws, surely you win. You may ask, what is the best strategy in chess? A good chess strategy is playing each piece one time to its best square, developing them all in turn, and getting your chess pieces off the starting squares. You want to get your pieces into the game rapidly and posted where they can accomplish something, either aiding your attack or defense of the center. Those are some of the insights you need to know about chess. Till next time, you will know more. And finally, I won the game. Please, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing this amazing channel and click that notification bell for more entertaining videos.
I don't know.